What's the meaning of counterpoint? Counterpoint. Counterpoint.
Counterpoint. Counterpoint. Counterpoint refers to the technique of combining two or more melodies in a way that creates a harmonious and compelling musical composition. The result is a rich and complex texture of sound, where each individual line stands out while also contributing to the overall musical structure. Counterpoint can be found in various forms of classical music, from the works of Bach and Mozart to modern compositions. It requires careful attention to detail and a thorough understanding of musical theory, but when executed correctly, counterpoint can produce some of the most awe-inspiring music in history.